Welcome back to the channel. We are actually back here in Palma de Mallorca from our big beautiful trip in Croatia. Our trip in Croatia was nice. It was such a beautiful country. We haven't been there for a while. I think it was 7 years ago when we were there the last time. So it's nice to see Croatia again. It was a beautiful trip. We got some bad weather on the beginning of the trip, but after that it was very nice, beautiful coast. We went to Skradin. That we did actually we did a tour there with our boss on the river, up on the river in Skradin. It was beautiful, nice. It was such a good treat for us, some of the crew, but not all of us. But some of the crew went with the boss to have a look at that beautiful river up in Skradin. Nice. So as soon as we finished that Croatia trip, we actually wrapped up straight away when we dropped the boss off in the town of Cavtat. Straight away we wrapped up, take advantage of the good weather, and then we leave straight away for the cruising coming back here in Mallorca. So the cruising was nice as usual, but it was quite lumpy on the first day or so. But as soon as we went in the Messina Strait and out to Ionian Sea, the whole sea changed. It's so flat. Sunrise and sunset is like spectacular as always. So yeah, we are back here in Mallorca. So as soon as we get back from Mallorca, there's no stopping, guys. There's no rest for the wicked. We have to get the boat cleaned up, you know, the aftermath of the cruising, and then we have to get the boat ready for the next trip with the boss. So we did the usual, all the varnishing, small varnishing as usual, deck scrubbing, some repairs, and then yeah, lots of polishing and so on. So here we are actually here now on this beautiful town of Port de Andratx. So as you can see, the whole boat is all set up and ready for the next boat trip. So we're gonna be here for the next couple of weeks, but it's not a bad place to be. It's not a bad place to be stuck for a couple of weeks. Beautiful place. We've been here a few times. Port de Andratx. Alright, so I will cut the video here, and I hope you enjoy the little update from me. And then if you enjoy this short video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and I will see you again on the next one. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.